Good afternoon, Middle East and Asia, Pacific. Good morning, Europe and Africa. Maybe if there's an early bird from the Americas, good morning too. Welcome back. At least here we in Europe are just closing our summer holidays. So it's just about to start. Everyone's coming back, or almost everyone, to what we hopefully see as an exciting fall in the market. And we would like to kick off the fall season with our TaiyangNews Solar Power Plants Development Conference. This event is, as usual, we do monthly event. It's organized by our team in Asia and Europe. I'm Michael Schmela. I'm the managing director of TaiyangNews. If you don't know us, we are a PV technology platform publishing news, reports, and doing events digitally. First of all, let me say a big thank you to the sponsors of this event, Jinko, Huasan, Anapark, and Nextracker. Without them, it would not be possible to organize such events. Thanks again. So if you're new to us, also some information on housekeeping. Please use the chat function. It's sort of our virtual discussion room where you can chat with anyone around publicly. But when you use this non-moderated chat area, please keep the netiquette and be nice to everyone with your comments, even if you disagree and it might be a competitor. The tagline of this event is what's more than record low generation cost. And while ground-mounted solar power plants will remain the backbone and even more of solar growth in the long run, due to their competitive nature, they are actually already, as we all know, the lowest cost power generation source in many places on this planet. But, and here's a but, we see in this segment of solar, obviously, much more challenges than for rooftop solar. We could see that during the energy crisis, when demand and deployment for rooftop solar capacity went through the roof almost instantly, as citizens and companies wanted to hedge against skyrocketing energy bills due to the long lead times and other challenges. This was obviously not so much possible with ground-mounted plants. And as we see the global solar fleet now basically growing, and I think it's hard to imagine that by around 1 gigawatt per day, the market this year will be between 340, 50, 60. I think Bloomberg even anticipates in its upbeat scenario quite a bit over 400. And the ground-mounted variety requiring quite some land for this. We are seeing now, of course, increasing challenges today and on the horizon. So we've created this events then with two goals. So first is to provide an overview on the latest product technologies and developments and design trends we're seeing in solar power plants. And second, to discuss these challenges I just mentioned and how to address them so that ground mount solar can remain and be even more the motor of the energy transition, as it is simply the cost leader, and we should utilize that. So around these two targets, we've built the agenda of this event. So we have on the one hand manufacturers, leading manufacturers in the field of products needed for solar farms. That includes, can you show the agenda? Module makers, Jinko and Huasan, an inverter supplier, GoodWe, all from China, and we also have a leading tracker manufacturer, Nextracker, from the US. So basically, the key components of the power plant are there. And then we have also for international companies active in development, EPC, O&M, and also solar IPP, sharing their latest opportunities in this field. This is Enerpark and Belectric from Germany, Amarenco from France, and Renew from India. So, and after these presentations, we will then reflect what we've learned on a panel by trying to answer the following question: has solar learned its lessons from wind? Because in the ground mount field, solar better avoids much what our friends from the wind industry have been experiencing.